Hi guys, and welcome back to DIY Hair School. In today's video, we are going to talk all about how to use dry shampoo the right way. There is a wrong way and there is a right way. So I'm going to show you how to use it the right way and freshen up my oily day 2 hair. When you use dry shampoo incorrectly, you will end up having problems like your hair looking excessively dry, having powdery residue left behind in your hair, which can really be a problem, especially if your hair is dark. It can make you look like you have dandruff. It can make you look like you have gray hair, and it just doesn't look nice. So a lot of people end up avoiding dry shampoo. The first thing you want to do before you dry shampoo your hair is to brush your hair. This is going to distribute the oils away from your scalp and throughout your hair more evenly, and it is going to make sure your hair is not tangly so the dry shampoo can work the best way possible. Step 1 after you brush your hair is going to be to shake the can. I find a lot of people miss this step, and it actually is important. You really need to shake the can thoroughly before you start. Then you are going to just apply the dry shampoo to the root area. You're not going to apply it anywhere else. The rest of your hair isn't actually oily looking. It's really just that root area, and you're not going to just spray continuously everywhere. You're going to do little spurts in small sections. So you're going to take a section and you're going to hold the can about 6 inches away from your hair and little sprays. Then you're going to flip to a new section, little sprays, next section, and just continue this all the way through the head. I like to hold everything up and just give it 2 little sprays in the front. And then don't forget the crown. It is really important that you get that crown area as well. So then you're just going to let it sit for 1 or 2 minutes and just let it start to do its job and absorb all the oils. I'm not going to do that today because I'm making the video, but after you've let it sit, you're going to massage it in really, really well. Once it's all massaged, you're going to go through and brush the hair. And now you can see it looks clean, it looks refreshed. There is no residue. The hair doesn't look excessively dry. It just looks clean and fresh, and you are ready to go for day 2. Keep in mind, the more oil that's in your hair, the more product you will need. And there is a certain point when if you're using too much dry shampoo, it'll actually make your hair look more dirty. So you do want to be careful not to overuse it, and you don't want to use it too many days in a row. If your hair gets really, really, really oily like mine, I find I can do it on day 2 and day 3, and then after that, no matter how much dry shampoo I use, my hair is still going to look dirty. So you'll find that point for yourself, and at that point, you want to wash your hair. One more tip, if you do use dry shampoo often, you want to make sure that you are rotating a clarifying shampoo into your routine so that this product doesn't build up on your hair and make it hard for your hair to absorb moisture. It is important to moisturize your hair if you use dry shampoo on a regular basis, because the way that it works is to absorb all the moisture out of your hair, not just the oil. It will actually suck up all the moisture in your hair, and that's what makes it look clean. So you want to make sure when you have a shower, you do replenish it with a nice moisture mask, and that you do clarify your hair on a regular basis to remove any buildup that might be caused by the products. Thank you so much for watching today, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. I hope you learned how to use dry shampoo the right way, and I hope you find the right product for you. Like and subscribe so that you do not miss any of my videos. Leave me a comment and let me know what other videos you'd like to see, and check me out on Instagram and on TikTok for more short form tutorials. Thanks, guys.